In this video, I'll show you how to fix switch to production build problem on Instagram. It's super easy, so let's get started. Well, it's not to fix switch to production build problem on Instagram. Open up the Instagram application from your device, and from the Instagram homepage, go and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. And from your profile, go and tap on this three-dot line at the top right. And from the settings and activity, you just need to scroll down to the very bottom right here. And if you go ahead and tap on help right here, and then go and tap on report a problem. Now go back and shake your phone like this, and go ahead and tap on report a problem. Now here you just need to tap on include and continue, and you just need to explain your problem right here. And once you type in your problem, you just need to upload your screenshot. So you actually have to take the screenshot. So I'm going to tap on upload, and I'm going to attach the screenshot here, and I'm going to tap on send here. And once you do that, the problem will be sent to the Instagram team, and most likely as soon as possible your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find it super helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.